Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop, and welcome to issue 10 of Build the Iconic Ford Falcon XB GT from our wonderful friends over at Hachette Partworks. Now if you'd like to grab this and build this iconic 1/8 scale model with me, head over to this link all the way along there. There's a clickable link in the description below. That'll take you to the website where you can grab one of these for yourself. It is, after all, the madmax car. Right, let's have a quick look at what we're doing. We're going to be doing or starting the front left wheel. Okay, so we got the wheel rims and the centre part of it. This is where it's going to go on your Ford Falcon, folks. Right down the front there, looking rather splendid. Simple procedure of putting the centre part of the rim in place, fixing it to the outer ring and then popping them both together. This is what you're going to end up with, folks, on your bench. Okay. The language of customization is engines and exhausts, and look at the size of that lot, eh? They do look mean, don't they? I've always liked the air intake poking out of the bonnet. I don't know why, it just appeals to me. I think it's from the Hot Wheels era as a child where they used to have them. You got language of customization there, terminologies and all of that lot. The Land Rover, which was an accidental icon, still a huge thing in the UK, Land Rovers. There you go. Have you some of that iconic little little landies there? They are a thing of beauty. And there you go, folks. So that is the magazine done. We're going to lay out the bits and pieces on the bench so that we can start putting this together. Right, let's get this together. So we got our rear section there with the posts poking up. And this is where this is going to go into, folks, okay? It says note the keyhole shape on one of the tabs circled, which corresponds with a similar shaped screw post, okay? So you've got a tab poking out of one of these, which is that one there, see it? Just poking out there. And you've got a little notch on this one, see it? Little keyhole. So just lock that in place. Can only go to one way, which is that way. And then just press that into situ. So you want it looking like so. Okay, that's what you're after. You'll then put in on the back part and get this all ready to go in place. Okay, just pop the cap on like so. Give it a little twisty kins just to lock it in place like so, and then we put the first one in like that. Grab the next screw, little bit of oil, boom. Same again. Just like so. And by powers of deduction, this is our last one. Little dab of oil. And then we can drop that in its new home, just in there. And that is that ready. And again, for the when it comes to doing the tyre, we're going to need our bowl of warm water, folks, okay? But for the moment, that's what we've got at the end of this issue. So, if you'd like to grab this and build along with me, folks, head over to this link. All the way there. It's in the description below. Take out a subscription for this beautiful Partwork. You won't be disappointed. Also, if you can do me a favour and help me grow my YouTube channel, just click that little festa in the corner there and subscribe. It really helps me out and I really do appreciate it, folks. Also, consider ringing the bell whilst you're there. Select all and that will then give you notifications of future content on this channel. So until the next time, thank you for coming in and keeping me company. Stay safe and well. Bye-bye for now.